First of all, thanks a lot for choosing Maria WordPress blog and magazine theme, and if not yet, you should at least check it. This is one of our best themes with lots of features and modern design. It has some cool features like easy customization, one-click demo data import, and a set of popular and powerful plugins compatibility. Plugins like MailChimp for email management, and WooCommerce for online shop management, will make your personal business setup much more professional and proficient. Alongside its default beautifully designed homepage, it has 10 different homepage designs to choose from. And, not just that, you can make your own design to make it more suitable for your personality. But here is the main reason that you should choose this WordPress theme, which is this report. I am running a Google Lighthouse audit here. And, as you can see, this our theme and this the report. It's got a perfect score. Got 100 on 100 for SEO, best practice, and one of the most vital points, accessibility. And 95 on performance. These scores are pretty rare, and not that simple to achieve. That's enough talking, and let's begin the installation. I am hoping you have already installed WordPress. If you didn't yet, you can see the link in the description for guidance. So, log into your WordPress with your username and password. Go to the appearance, and click Themes. Click Add New, then click Upload Theme. Choose the file that you have downloaded previously. Select this zip file, and then click Install Now. The theme is installed. Now click Activate. Okay, now you have to install some plugins. Some of these plugins are not required, but are highly recommended if you want the full experience just like the demo site. Click here. Here are the full listed plugins. Select all, and choose Install from the drop-down. Then hit Apply. Be patient, it might take few minutes or so. By the way, don't worry about the warning here. It's probably some server issue and nothing from the theme itself. Okay, all the plugins are installed. Now click here to go back. These plugins are installed, but not activated yet. Let's do that. Select all, choose Activate, and hit Apply. Now, all plugins are activated. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, you might also come to this page, only if you install WooCommerce plugin. It's for online shop management. Just delete this part of the URL. And, hit Enter, with WP admin in your URL. And it will take you to the WP dashboard. Now, we will install the full demo data. For that, go to the appearance, and click Import Demo Data. As you can see the theme here. Now click this big button here. You can skip these options, and directly click on Continue and Import. It might take some time, depending on your internet speed. Import completed. Now, let's visit the site. Now, you may see a few sections are missing here, which is on our demo site. Don't worry, it's not missing, you just have to add some content. And it is very easy. Let's go to the dashboard. Then click Widget under Appearance. For the slider, click where it says Home Top. As you see, it's already here. Just select some articles and click Save. If I reload the home page, you will see the slider. Next, I will add the featured page section. Click here it says, Home Before Content. As you see, it's already added. You just have to add some pages, under Maria highlight with image section. All done. Now, click Save. And featured pages are beautifully presented on the home page. Same as, you can add affiliation like from your affiliates. Which is a great feature of our theme. You can present it right on the home page and can get more clicks on your affiliate links. Click the Save button. And your affiliate links are here. There is an About section also, that you can add very easily. Go to the dashboard. You can also delete some sidebars if you don't need those. Click on Maria Bio, the authors section. You can add your image, then add some details of yours. You can add social media links here too. Our theme has Font Awesome compatibility. You just have to copy this part of the code from the Font Awesome site and paste it here. On the home, you will see a beautiful bio sidebar section with all of your social icons. Call to action is a must-have element on a website. For that, just click Home after Content. Add some engaging words here. Now, you can add a MailChimp form directly into your call to action for more organized tracking. Just copy this code from the MailChimp's form tab. Paste it here. And you will see the call to action well equipped here on the home page. You can also very easily add social media links at bottom of the page. Just click the bottom and then Maria Social Links. You can add icons from Font Awesome as I showed already. Let's add our Instagram feed directly on the homepage. You got to show the pretty images, right? So, just click on the Instagram feed tab here. Click Settings. Click on Connect on your Instagram account. And follow the steps. And you will find the latest images from your Instagram account on your homepage. There is a dedicated Maria settings option, from where you can change the color to match the theme. You can add an image logo here. Also, you have the option of the text logo and tagline. You can add social media icons to the header section also. Under the Footer tab, you can add the copyright text. And you can also change these links from the menu option on the dashboard. For these menus, you can change or add a new menu from the menu option too. It is very simple to add a menu. You can just reorganize these menus like this. And you will get a drop-down menu. Finally, you can edit any page very easily by Gutenberg Editor. Click on the Edit page, and you will land on the editor. Alongside the blocks by Gutenberg's editor, we have made these special blocks for you. These blocks are very gorgeous looking and very simple to edit. We have very detailed documentation on this theme, with proper instructions and screenshots. I also put the documentation link in the description. Check that out. So there you go. You are all set. Now, just make it your own and enjoy. And for any support, please knock via our website. You will find the link in the description. We are always ready to give you the best you deserve.